Right, do you have one of these? It comes off a Volvo XC90, and this one's off a vehicle that is 2011. Okay, as you can see, it is in pieces, and the problem is that these things keep breaking. You can buy a brand new one, and as soon as you lean on one of these, getting in and outside your car, then they will just break. The weakness is in this switch, well, this switch here. I don't know why they've done this. They could have made this all part of this, and then it would have had strength. But if you remove this out of the equation, you will see that there are only 2 points which break. Yeah, and them 2 points are here and here. When it's like this, and you are sitting on your chair and you lean on here, then the pressure is on here and also here. So it just snaps. A new one of these will cost you about £68, I think it is, from a Volvo dealer. Maybe more or less, depending on which part of the world you are from. So the solution which I am going to try, and I'm not going to try it on this because this one, as you can see, has been so-called fixed by several people, by gluing it, by putting staples in it, and oh, God knows what else. Okay, and as you can see, there are staples here as well. Yeah, somebody's tried, and no, it doesn't work. And this switch here, they've tried to use hard plastic glue, and that didn't work either. So what I am going to do is get a brand new one of these, right? And I have one here. Here we are. Here is the new one. Let me get the old one out of the way. Move it over there, and get this one in here. Okay, so this is the new one, minus the buttons from the old one, because this panel can be removed off from the back. 3 screws here, 1, 2, and 3, and you can slot it into this new one here. Yeah, and the same thing with this button. Now, as I said previously, this button is weakening this. So what I propose to do, right, is that if you look at the back of it, right, is to strengthen this. Okay. In reality, we only need to strengthen this corner and this corner. So if you are doing a repair job, like on the broken one, you will find that it's broken from here and from here. So over here, you will need to strengthen it in this corner, right, and also in this corner here where this switch finishes. What I'm proposing to do is to use a glass fibre kit, which I've got from our local Halfords. We have a shop here in the UK, Halfords, and they supply us a small kit like this. Unless you've got your own, I suggest just go and buy one of these kits. They cost about £16 English, and what we're going to do is we're going to strengthen this new one. This is a brand new one, just taken out of the package. I think I've got the number for it, part number. And the paper's here somewhere. Can't find it right now. Here it is. Right, this is the part numbers for it. Right, here it is. Yeah, and the part number there is 39866792. Okay, part name pseudo panel. Okay, and it tells you made in Sweden. So this is the new one, and what I'm proposed to do is put fiberglass all around it. I want to do a much stronger job. Most people, well, I don't know about most people, but a lot of people are very heavy, and if they lean on this, the whole body weight is on here actually when they climb out of the car sometimes, and it's asking to be broken from this corner and this corner. I spoke to our local dealer and they said, well, we've tried to strengthen it by making this out of rubber, right, but that didn't help at all. So just strengthen it from this corner and this corner. But I'm going to go further than that. This whole switch, I'm going to make it one piece with the fiberglass. So I'm going to cover all of this and all of this as well, right up to here, right, so that this switch plate will not be able to be removed again. We don't need to remove it. Why? Because we can just slot these switches in and out of this. Yeah. So these switches, they just slot out like this. Yeah. Okay. And the switches just come out. Yeah. Simply just like this. So we might as well make this as a permanent fixture. So it doesn't have to be so you can still take these out, and we don't need a separate switch holder. I mean, look at this. This is broken from there. It's broken from this corner. So might as well make this one piece with this. Okay. So I've been told that you're not supposed to use this glass fiber kit indoors, and currently I'm sitting indoors, so I'm going to take everything outside and continue to make the glass fiber, use the glass fiber so that I can strengthen this, and hopefully it'll never break again. You never know, it'll probably break from somewhere else, but at least we'll fix this part, which is very common on these XC90s. I don't know about the 2015 model because they changed them then, but maybe they have the same problem as well. But definitely before 2014, any XC90 before 2014 will have this problem. Yeah. Just one more a quick word on this end of it. As you can see, circular. There is no bolt holding this in. So when you're trying to take this off, it'll do this. You can, from this point, it will lever up and down, and all you got to do is pull this off. So when it's hooked onto the chair, all you got to do is clunk and take it off, and it'll it's flexy and it'll just come off from that side. But on this side, when it's mounted to the car, right, when it's mounted to the car, there's a screw that goes in from the back. Okay, so if you're trying to remove yours, remove the screw from there. This will be able to lever upwards, and you just slot this out by pulling it out. So there's no screws on it. Don't bother trying to snap this off or anything, because there's no screws, bolts on the other side of it. Okay, well, and wait for part 2 now outside. Right, okay, part 2 outside. Right, here's the setup outside. The scissors, the item that needs to be fiberglass, some hardener, resin, mixing bowls. This is what you get with the when you get a kit for measurement. You'll probably be able to see it there. It's in milliliters, yeah, 5, 10, 15, 20. Well, once you've got the idea, you can mix them up, and you can use these things. The takeaway is given you with a bit of sauces in there, right? When they're empty, you can clean them up and use these. They're free and readily available. Yeah, so if you have takeaways, right? And a pair of scissors, if I didn't mention it before, etc., etc. And what I've done is I've hardened. What's his name? I've roughened this up with a wire brush. As you can see, it's a slightly different colour. I hope you can see that. I've roughened up the places where I want to put the fiberglass. I'm going to do this in two parts, this video. Firstly, I'm going to do the basic repair, as if this was in two pieces, broken from here and here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair this corner and this corner, right? So but if you want to get a new panel like this one and strengthen this before fitting it on your car, then watch the whole video. But if you just want to repair yours, which is in two pieces broken from here and here, then you'll need to watch this first part of the video where I try to repair this corner and this corner. I've never done this repair before. In fact, I've never used fiberglass before either. So I'm sure I'll be making lots of mistakes, and people will be commenting on how badly this is done. But as long as it gets the job done, I'm happy. Right, okay, I've decided to repair this top corner, which is going to be the most difficult one, right? So I've had to invert this, put it upside down, and fix this corner here. I hope you can see it from the camera. You can see this. This is what's it's dried up now. It's gone hard. It's on the inside as well, right? And yeah, that's pretty hard. That is. It's been about an hour now, and yeah, definitely hardened. Now I think I can just layer this up and along here now, okay, and possibly take it across here as well. Don't want to make this video too long, so I'll just slap on a bit more fiberglass and back in a sec. Right, okay, I've added a bit more to it. I filled out this side of it, okay, yeah, it's pretty thick underneath, yeah, right. I filled out this side, this corner as well. If I just turn it over, you probably see it a bit better. I filled up this is not hollow, right? It might look hollow, it's not. It's filled in from there, so I've got plenty of power from the fiberglass underneath it, and also all the way along here as well. So hopefully, if you've got this in two pieces, right, broken from this corner and this corner, then this corner now should be fixed, right? You'll probably be able to do a better job than me, right? I'm just putting some ideas out there, maybe how to fix it. Now we'll go on to this corner, because these things break from this corner, okay? So I'm going to apply the fiberglass here, and see you back in a moment. Right, okay. Right, I've strengthened this here, this corner here, okay, and that basically covers the top and the bottom. So there's the top as I've done it previously, and strengthen this corner as well with multiple layers of the fiberglass. I've also put a piece over here just for safety actually, and if you're joining two pieces together then this is enough, but I'm going a bit overboard with it, and I'm going to also do this side as well, and then I'll get a Dremel on it and clean off these bits and and round it up and straighten it out or whatever you want to do. And as I said, I've never used fiberglass before. It's my first attempt on a brand new piece which I've purchased from Volvo, right? Cost 68 English pounds, right? And well, I hope it gives somebody to have a go, give them an idea to go and have a go and see if you can fix something. Hopefully, once I've fixed all this and sanded it all down and everything, hopefully this should not break again. But you never know. But I'm sure it's going to be a lot more stronger now. Yeah, it might not be the strongest, and maybe you can make it much more stronger, right? But but I'm sure it will do. As I said, I've got to clean up these edges, etc. Okay, see you after I cleaned up a bit more in a moment. Okay, I've just finished finishing off this corner as well. Right, don't need to do this upper corner, it never breaks from there, but just strengthening the bottom here, and hopefully that should give it a bit more strength than the factory original. Okay, back again after I've finished cleaning this up with the Dremel. Right, it's the next day now, and hopefully this is dried up a bit now and a bit tougher than yesterday. Let's have a look. Okay, yeah, it's all hard. Yeah, it's solid. So I'm going to get the Dremel on this now, and you know what a Dremel looks like. I've got one of these, what do you call it, diamond tip things, and I'm going to start cutting this down. Give me a moment and I'll see what happens. Back in a moment. I've used the Dremel to smooth these edges off here, right? Okay, and about to put in the switches now. I'll put that switch in there, okay, as well. That just clicks in. Right, okay, I've put these switches in, this bottom switch and this top switch. The wires come in from the seat of the car, so you'll have to plug that into there. This is the old switch. The old switch has got 3 screws here, and we could just remove this. You need a T20. Okay, it's a T20 you need. Take that one out. Take that one out. And it just supposed to just slip out like this. Let me just put that on. Put the new one in. Goes in there like that. Put that into there. This goes behind this, so don't try to put it in front, otherwise you'll be struggling here for ages. Okay, and just click it back in and turn it over. We'll put 3 screws into there. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, tighten it up nice slowly. You don't need to over tighten this. There you are. And there you are. There it is. It's ready, it's strengthened at the back. It's all dried up now, hard, and you can go and fit it into the car. Remember, this end of it, you just need to clip this on, and then you can raise and lower this. And at this end of it, there is a screw that goes into there. Okay, so under the seat, behind it, right here at the bottom. Yeah, okay, right here at the bottom, you've got to put a screw in there. Okay, and that'll hold it from this side, and it'll be held in from that side as well. Well, that's about the end of the video now. Any questions? I'm no expert. This is the first time I've ever done this, first time I've ever used the fiberglass, and I'm sure I made plenty of mistakes, but if you found this video useful, please do just leave a like. It's important to me. I try to make videos, and the experts show you how it's done, but a novice like myself, right, can show you how it's not to be done, right, and what mistakes when you first have a go at something which you've never done before. And well, I hope you have good luck with it as well. Hope you can repair your car seat control buttons, panels. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye. Right, I've decided to include the fitting of this seat panel. These are your the cables that you'll need. This is the top switch. This is for the bottom switch, and the rest go behind the seat over here. Okay, you might be able to see it from here, I don't know. No, it's the first switch nearest to you from this position. Okay, so here's the panel. That's the bottom switch. That'll go into there. Okay, the bottom switch will go into that. This top switch is going to go into here at the top. Okay, there's a right way and a wrong way. So just plug them in the right way. They won't go in the wrong way. And this one goes into here. Sorry, all this fluffing about. Okay, and that's the wrong way, that's the right way. And click. That goes into there. Push that into here. And this goes round the back. I'll just plug that one in. And that's plugged in. The car is switched off. And I need to, at this end of it, on this bottom corner, I need to put this screw in through from the other side. I'm not going to do that at the moment. This screw, it takes a T10. Okay, it takes a T10. Okay, hold the screw, put it down there for a moment, and we'll come to this side. By that, the camera died on me. Right, bought the whole panel here just to show you where everything goes. As you can see, this plug goes into there. The plug that comes out of here from the bottom switch plugs into here, and the other one at the other end goes under the seat in the first socket. Now we need to put this onto there. Okay, this needs to go onto there. So make sure you put it flush with the chair and put it over the top, and then press down, click. That's it. Now you can move this up and down. Okay. Now there's on the bottom of this, there's this screw. This screw is a T10. Okay, T10, and you need to put it in from the other side. You got to line this up and put the screw over the slot, and then push the screw in. Can't find the slot. Brilliant. It's up here at the top. Is it at the bottom? I think it's up here at the top. Can't see where it goes. I still can't see where it goes. Right, this goes into there. It clicks on, and then it's clipped in, and there it is, and that's where the screw goes in. Okay, and that's it. It's ready. Fitted. Oh yeah, this needs to be tucked in behind, and that's it. Ready. Hope you have good luck with it. Do remember, please do like the video if you don't want to subscribe, but like and subscribe, that'd be even better. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Bye. Right, here we are, all fitted, back hinge on there. This actually, there's a clamp underneath you, and this fits over the top, so it clicks in, and then you can put the final screw in. Oh, by the way, I did say it was a T10. No, it's a T15. I don't know why. I checked the 10 and it seemed to work, but then it stopped working, and then I tried a 15 and 15 worked. So the T15 for the screw behind. Until this is not clicked in, you're not going to be able to put that screw in. Let's the ignition key in, right, and move it forwards, yeah, okay, and backwards, and tilt, yeah, and tilt back, yeah, all working fine on a Volvo XC90 on a 2011. And the problems usually with the massage function seats, and we strengthened it by putting fiberglass on it. I hope it helps somebody. Please do like and share, also even subscribe, yeah, to novice videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.